Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work visa stamp on your passport. This stamp is what allows you to enter the country and work. First, confirm your eligibility based on your approved work petition. Next, gather all necessary documents, such as your valid passport, the original I-797 approval notice, and any supporting letters from your employer. Finally, schedule an appointment at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Having the correct documents is crucial for a smooth visa stamping process. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned stay in the U.S. You'll need to present your original Form I-797 approval notice, which confirms your approved work petition. Also, remember to bring 2 recent passport-style photographs, typically 2x2 inches, that meet the specific government requirements for visa applications. During your consular interview, it's important to be prepared and organized. Bring all your original documents, not just copies, to the appointment. You should be ready to answer questions about your employment, your qualifications, and the purpose of your visit to the United States. The consular officer will carefully review your application and supporting documents before making a decision on your work visa stamp. If your application is approved, your passport will be returned to you, usually within a few business days, with the work visa stamp affixed. It's vital to carefully check all the details on the stamp, including your name, visa category, and expiration date, for any errors before you leave. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.